Warm greetings po sa lahat. Our church, the United Church of Christ in the Philippines, is celebrating its 77th anniversary. 77 years na po tayo. And we give thanks and praises to God for leading our church. We also honor our forebearers for their lives and sacrifices. We have reached this age, vibrant and progressive, dahil po yan sa kanilang pagtsatsaga. Lahat na meron tayo ngayon, dahil po sa kanilang mga sakripisyo. As we move forward, we will continue to carry the identity that we have as a church. With Christ as our model, we will always be bearers of faith and light to the community that we have. We will continue to be instrument of God's love to the people, especially to the poor, the weak, and the vulnerable. Happy 77th anniversary! Mabuhay po ang UCCP!